Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's April 10th, 2025. Didn't shoot any video today. We've had rain on and off here and some windy times. But I did get a fair amount accomplished today. No excavator work today, unfortunately. The tracks are still frozen up with that frozen mud in them. But I was able to take apart and get down that large section that was hanging over here on the other side. That was a bit of a chore, getting that taken care of. So that was good. The rain has let up. It's just sprinkling right now. I did get a lot more material up and into the dumpster by hand. I did everything by hand today. And yesterday, Kelsey did go through all the lights and all that, and the computers and everything that's outside. I believe that she's gotten done. So I've got a lot of that stuff inside of the dumpster. The lights I've still got to go through here as well. These are the ones that she went through. So this is good, but I got a lot of this stuff picked up over here, and the rest of the materials all in there. I got those all in as well. And I started working over here some, gathering up things that were over here. I still have more to get out of here and all, but after she had gone through all this, geez, I thought that was a 5 kilowatt generator. It's actually a 4 kilowatt generator. But I've got to pick up the rest of this, get this stuff in the dumpster tomorrow. Real nice Makita chainsaw it was. The security stuff there as well. And I also got all of the greenhouse. So I got the power station out, the battery backup system that was over here, got all of the greenhouse wiggle wire tracks out, the extra copper wire that was over here, the silage tarps that were over here as well, everything that was over here, the other garage door openers that were here. So I got all of that out. So I'm trying to work on getting this area a little bit more cleaned up. But this was all hand work today. Everything with by hand, walking back and forth to the dumpster and all. So feel good about that. Still, it was still freezing this morning. It's not getting down to freezing tonight, but it's still going to be in the 30s. So it's going to be real slow for the mud that's frozen there. Hopefully tomorrow I'll be able to get the rest of that mud dug out of the tracks of this machine. And I'd really like to use the Hulk over there, the track loader. It'd be much easier for me to just scoop up some of this stuff as well. But as you can see, there's still some frozen mud in there. Hopefully as it starts to thaw some more, tomorrow I'll be able to get that dumpster loaded and all. But making some progress. It's just very slow when you do it by hand. I got some of the piping out that was up there, so some of that's down and out now. And I got a few things that were stacked over there as well, that were salvaged, so that's good. And the 2 aquariums that were over there, I got, that we're no longer going to use. I'm sure they split. You'd see the seams were split. I got those in the dumpster now as well. So a lot more to do, but it's taking me time to do all this. And then I did get some phone calls done as well. I found one more truss manufacturer. My brother Dave contacted me about it, and so I just sent those the drawings off to that truss person as well. So hopefully get one more quote that we can compare, see what our lead times are as well. And I think they're Amish. I'd really like to get some Amish builders that can work with me getting this building put up. I've always been impressed by how well the Amish, the pride that they take in their work, and that's something that's in short supply this day and age. So we'll see what we can get done here. There is another contact, someone I've met before here. I can talk to him about it as well, and and see what we can do as far as quotes and timing and quality of the work. All of those things are really, really important. But first things first, I got to get the rest of this stuff set. Oh, I did go over and check the shipping containers. A couple of them got some dings in it, but we selected 4 that don't have any holes, no real major damage to it. They all look in pretty good shape. So as soon as I get this material up here, which I gotta get the excavator, the track's not frozen here, but I get the rest of this material in the dumpsters, then I don't have the dumpster there, and I can have the trucks deliver the stone, so I can get out there and get the stone down. So that's the plan anyway. So now you know what my thought processes are at this point. Just very slow, but it's coming bit by bit. All right, folks, sorry this is just another short video, but I wanted to keep you posted on things. We're making progress. It's just not much that you can see. It's very boring, me toting these things around. So that's it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks for your comments, and stay safe and take care. Bye-bye now.